Yeah, it's already 2 years now. Would you like to share your experience and your journey of the SMART FUE procedure?
Yes, so I'm mixed. I'm Malaysian and Kenyan. My father is Chinese, my mother is Kenyan. And all my life I've been sort of insecure of my high forehead. I had a very high hairline. And so I met with Dr. JasG in 2020 regarding this issue, and he consulted my way through it, to the issue. It was a very, very smooth process, very, very easy. It's been 2 years now and I'm so satisfied with my results. I have curly hair, as you can see, but it's natural, the process, the result and everything, and I'm so happy. And I'd like to thank Dato Dr. JasG and the team for everything so far, and I could never be happier.